My 3D printer's been running constantly, 24/7, and I want to show you what's been coming out of it. The 3D printed parts go into the injection molded housing. For example, these are the battery contacts that keep the battery steady. Each one of these little pieces of plastic go onto the battery contact so that when we put the battery into the smoker, it's nice and stable and we don't have any issues. The screen mesh goes into the smoker. It's as simple as that. And it's made so that when you stick your finger in there, or if a bee gets caught in here, that they can't get chopped up by the fan. I started out with a stainless steel mesh, and I realized that it has some sharp edges to it. I didn't like that. And I also wanted it to be designed to be just small enough for a bee to not be able to get in there. And of course I made it black. We need to have it black and yellow, like a bee. And then we have the magnet caps. A couple of commercial beekeepers told me when they put a heavier battery on this, it would fall off. So I doubled the strength of the magnet, and now this puppy's not coming off for sure. Cable stays are simply to keep all the cables in place. They're not technically required. I've done this just to keep very high quality as far as keeping everything in the right place. And of course, even though these are 100% hidden away inside the device, they have to be yellow and black. So as you can see, there's a lot that goes into building one of these. I appreciate all your patience and sticking with me. There's a lot more coming soon.